Hello guys, welcome back to Dope Chinese. Happy birthday to you all! 生日快樂! Today is the 7th day of the first month in the traditional Chinese calendar, which is 人日. 人日, the day human beings were created. Is it interesting? Actually, there are more traditions I would like to share with you. I know that not everyone is religious, and I don't believe in any religion either. But I like all these religious traditionals. If you are ABC, maybe your grandma will buy some, worship the gods during Chinese New Year. But do you know what gods we always worship? And what gods do we have? Number 1, 𝙬𝙖𝙣𝙖, which is god of wealth. The 5th day of the first lunar month, we will welcome to the gods of wealth. And there is a popular song about him. Number 2, 土地公, Lord of the soil and the ground. My mom always tells me that there is no ghost at home because 土地公 protects us from those evil spirits. Number 3, Gunyam. Gunyam is a goddess of mercy. People have different ideas on how she looks like. In white, in gold, or having hundreds of hands, etc. She could also be called child-giving Guanyin, 送子观音. In lots of movies, you can find that the old generations love to give one to their daughters-in-law as a gift. Number 4, 周官, the god of the kitchen. China is an agricultural country. Our ancestors always wished we could have enough food, so we worshipped the god of the kitchen. We hope we don't need to worry about our food. Number 5, 門神, door god. Door gods are usually printed images which are pasted to paired doors to protect against evil influences. You have to stick them in the right way, otherwise they will be like mad with each other. So we have a slang called 貼錯門神, which means be hostile, like sticking door gods at the wrong place. Number 6, 關二哥, aka Guan Yu, is a Chinese military general in Han Dynasty. Because of his loyalty and righteousness, he is worshipped by policemen, gangsters, and even a businessman today. 周心, ancestor. We always remember our ancestor. That's what we learned today. See you soon. Bye bye.